This week's Hotter Road Mixtapes are Time by DJ Kenny, Strategic by DJ Kenny, This week's new releases are Hideaway by Pressure, Nice Up the Dance by Young Garby and Mr. Williams, Loud by Digital Sham, This week's primetime showcase is High Grade My Love by Perfect Guinea Mali.
Bring I forward, please. I'm here. Bring I forward, please. I'm here. Botswana, I'm peace. I'm here.
It's your girl Purple, and I'm just asking you for one favor, just one. Run over to my Instagram and follow me at premium_purple. Thank you.